Coming up, we are making a deceptive salad. Hidden beneath the surface is a treasure hunt of goodness. The more you dig into this salad, the better it gets. Stick with me and find out. For the salad, let me introduce to the ring apple, red onion, red bell pepper, lettuce, yellow bell pepper, green bell pepper, and grapes. First step, wash all the ingredients, chop, slice, and dice. After doing so, we mix together and put aside. Step 2, we are making mashed potatoes. Start by peeling and dicing your Irish potatoes, then add to your boiling water and cook for 15 minutes. While waiting on your Irish potato to cook, let's move on to step 3 and prepare our shrimp in a creamy sauce. Is amazing. Begin by heating your pot on low flame, add a tablespoon of oil, then cook your seasoned shrimp for 1 minute on each side, then remove and put aside. The season I used on my shrimp were 1 tablespoon of all-purpose season, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. After removing your shrimp, in the same pan saute some natural spices for 2 minutes. Then add 1 cup of evaporated milk and 1 tablespoon of ketchup. Allow to simmer for 5 minutes. Re-add your shrimp and cook for additional 3 minutes. Let's not forget about those boiled potatoes. We cook them for 15 minutes. Then transfer them to a bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of butter and work those to get a smooth, consistent mashed potato. Plate by first adding your mashed potato, then your creamy shrimp, and finally disguise with your mixed salad. Remember, if you get value, give us a like and subscribe for future videos.